Pigeon first time out this year, March 20th, 2019. Week and a half ago, it was below zero. Right now, it's about, these few days, it's about 45 degrees. In the next few days, it's gonna be over 50 degrees. So these are my young birds from last year, mostly, in fact, they're all 2018. These are gonna be my flyers this year. I'm gonna train them. I'm gonna take them far to see who makes it home. Most of them are cocks. I don't have many hens from last year. I probably got 2 hens or 3. That's about it. Most of the hens are my old birds. About at least 10 of them are cocks. New birds, young birds, 2018. Most of my brands are Kobaki, Jensen, Mulmans are the red ones. Black ones, don't remember much. The yellow one there, it's a Trenton. Got a couple young birds in here. I let them out yesterday, especially the red ones. Do really well last year as young birds. Just gonna let them stay out here for a couple minutes. They're still pretty heavy, so I'm not gonna let them fly yet. I'm gonna let them out for a couple of weeks and let them get used to the weather. Let them do some exercise for a little bit, and we'll see how that goes. This red one is a hen. She's my only red hen from 2018. This red check young cock is doing really good. He's really fast. He's one of my fastest. This blue bar, he's a Jensen from a pedigree Jensen. Has been doing pretty good. This blue and this black right here, they are nest mates, and they are both cocks. Jensen. They want to breed. They're old enough to breed, but I'm not gonna let them breed. I have too many breeders. So these are my breeding section over here. And these are my flyers, mostly cock. 1 hen. Everything is cock. I still got my Homer and Cuban powder mix right here. These 2 black ones, I think they are both cocks. This one's kind of acting like a hen, but I think he's a cock. They're both blacks. This red mealy, he's got a really nice eye. He's gonna fly this year too. This is a Cuban powder mix with a Homer. It's a blue bar. And here are some of my breeders. I got a Cuban powder here with my black, white splash cock right there. I just picked him up yesterday. This guy's really cocky. I've got my reds here. Red check pie cock and a red check old hen. This is a young bird, young cock right here. I've got a. This is actually a grizzle. He's a grizzle underneath his wings. And then I've gotten to. That's a black check Kobaki grizzle, and that's a blue bar Jansen. So we'll see if I get any blue grizzle this year from these two. This is a pure Jansen, both blue check Jansen. They are from the same family, so the hen is a 2016, cock is 2018, and we'll see how they do this year. I want to see if I get any flying Jensens out of them. Black cock here and a brown chocolate Cuban. This is a Cuban that I just bought from an auction last fall. Color's not too great here, so I don't know why the color's not doing too good. Oh, jeez. Color quality is not good in here. Skin too dark. Here's another of my red Cubans. They are possibly from the same family. There's my red cock, red pie cock, and our recessive red hen. This is a really pretty hen. We'll see how they do this year. And I've got a yellow chin with a blue check pie. The brand is I think it's Black Knight. So we'll see how they do this year. I'm trying to see if I can get some yellow check out of them. Nice yellow check pie. Well, this is my flyer section. There. That's the black Cuban powder mix Homer. This is another one. Here are my nests. Nobody has eggs yet, so let's see what happened. These are my two tipplers. I want to fly them this year. They're breeding right now, so we'll see if the young ones fly this year. I'm not sure how these tipplers will fly with my homer, but I'll see what happens. Alright folks, that's about it. I'll be feeding my birds and we'll see how they do in a couple of weeks. I'll let them fly and we'll see what happens.